Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Trends. In this video, we are diving into the world of home automation using KME Smart IoT Cloud. KME Smart IoT Cloud is a no-code platform. It offers powerful and flexible solutions to control your devices even if you don't have any programming experience. Let's get started.
The components required for this experiment are ESP32 board, 4-channel relay, connecting wires, connecting cable and 4 bulbs. Now let's see how to set up the KME Smart IoT Cloud. Open Google and search for KME Smart. And click on the first link. So this is the website and here go to KME config. This KME Smart IoT Cloud will support the boards like ESP32, ESP32S3, ESP32C3, ESP8266, etc. Now here you can see download KME tools. So we need to click on this Windows button and download the software. Once you download, you will get a zip file. So extract this zip file. Click extract. Now open this folder. Here you can see a file named kme_config. So we need to open this exe. Right click from here and select run as administrator. So click on more info and then click run anyway. Here click yes. Now this is the application window. So here go to this serial COM menu. Here I am using ESP32 board. So the one more thing about this IoT cloud, KME Smart IoT Cloud is we no need to select the board and the application itself will detect the board automatically. So here we need to just select the port. If you click this arrow, it will show the port where you connected the ESP32 board or the board which you are using. Click on that and click the connect button. Now in the port state you can see connected to COM4. Now we need to upload the firmware. Click this upload firmware button. Now the firmware started uploading. So here you will get ready for config, and also you will get the MAC address and the device ID. In some cases it will show connecting and it will not upload. In that case, once you click this upload firmware button, click the flash button in your ESP32 board and hold that button. So after that it will start uploading. Also, if you are not able to see this MAC or device ID, click this refresh button, and after that you will able to see both the addresses. Now again go back to the main page. Here click this button. So here we are going to do home automation using 4 switches. So we need to add 4 switches here. Here go to relay and here click this plus button. So add 4 buttons. As per the circuits from the ESP32 board, I am using the pins 18, 19, 22 and 23. So click here and we need to select the pin numbers here. Here we need to select the pin number from pin output. Click this arrow, scroll down and first select the pin 18. Now go back, now click the second button. Here we need to select pin number 19. And for the third one, it is pin number 22. And the final one, here the pin number is 23. Also we can rename the button name. Here we can say switch 1, click OK. This is switch 2, switch 3 and switch 4. If you want, we can change this button icon as well. If you want to change the button icon, click this and here we can select this button. Now the configuration is done. Now click this upload button and upload the configuration to the ESP32 board. Now the configuration is uploaded to the board.
Once the configuration is uploaded to the ESP32 board, press and hold the boot button for 5 seconds or until the onboard LED in the board starts blinking. This is to connect the board in the Smart Connect mode. Now we can set up the mobile application. For that, download the KME Smart application from the Play Store. Install the application. Now open. Here we need to connect the Wi-Fi. So here the Wi-Fi is already connected. Now click the plus button from the top right. Click add device. Here verify the Wi-Fi username and password and click the connect button. Here we need to select the method via Smart Connect. Here select single device. Here we can see the 4 switches displayed. Click add device. If you want, here we can rename the widget name home automation and click the save button. Now here you can see the widget. Click on that and here we can see the 4 buttons. Now the setup is completed and now we can check the output.